Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's Neo. The AI world is changing fast. For a while it felt like OpenAI was running away with the game, right? Bigger models, more hype. But the open source scene just dropped some serious heat. And trust me, this is huge. We're talking models that can generate complex mathematical proofs, reason through logic puzzles like a champ, and write better code than some programmers I know. This isn't just about bigger numbers anymore. This is about smarter AI, more accessible AI, and it's coming from companies you might not expect. DeepSeek Microsoft, yeah, them again. And even Xiaomi are stepping up with models that challenge everything we thought we knew about AI limitations. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the tech behind these breakthroughs. We'll break down each model, what makes them special, and what this all means for the future of AI. You don't want to miss this one. First up, let's talk DeepSeek and their newest champion, Prover V2. Now, when you hear 671 billion parameters, you know this thing is a beast. That's even bigger than the public estimates we have for GPT-4. But here's the thing, Prover V2 isn't just about size, it's about specialization. DeepSeek trained this model specifically for high-level mathematical reasoning. We're talking about taking problems that would make even seasoned mathematicians sweat and turning them into fully verifiable proofs. And they're doing it in Lean 4, which, if you're not familiar, is a super powerful programming language built for formal logic. Think about that for a second. We're not just talking about AI that can crunch numbers or solve equations. Prover V2 is working with the fundamental language of mathematics itself. It's like giving an AI the ability to understand and manipulate the building blocks of math, and that opens up some seriously mind-blowing possibilities. Imagine a world where complex mathematical theorems, the kind that take human geniuses years to prove, could be tackled in a fraction of the time. We're talking about accelerating scientific discovery, unlocking new fields of mathematics, and potentially revolutionizing industries that rely on advanced computation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Neo, this is all super cool. But how does this actually work? Well, DeepSeek hasn't released all the details yet, but what we do know is that they've combined a massive dataset of mathematical texts and code with a novel training approach that focuses on logical reasoning and proof construction. They're essentially teaching Prover V2 to think like a mathematician, to understand the rules of logic and apply them to solve complex problems. And the results so far are incredibly promising. We've seen examples of Prover V2 generating proofs that are not only correct, but also surprisingly elegant and concise. This isn't just about brute forcing solutions, it's about finding the most efficient and logical path to a proof. And that's a level of sophistication we haven't seen in an AI before. DeepSeek is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI in mathematics, and I, for one, am incredibly excited to see where they take this technology next. Alright, so we've seen what happens when you go big with AI, but what about going smart? That's where Microsoft's Phi-4 comes in. Now, 14 billion parameters might not sound like much compared to Prover V2's massive scale, but don't let that fool you. Phi-4 is a masterclass in efficient AI design. See, Microsoft didn't just throw more data at the problem, they took a more strategic approach. They focused on training Phi-4 on a carefully curated curriculum of tasks designed to develop its reasoning and problem-solving abilities. Think of it like this. Instead of just feeding Phi-4 a fire hose of information, they're giving it a structured education. They're teaching it to think critically, to plan ahead, and to solve problems that require abstract thought. And this is where Phi-4 really shines. It excels in areas where many large language models struggle: edge case planning, abstract problem solving, and chain of thought logic. These are the kinds of tasks that require more than just pattern recognition. They require genuine understanding and reasoning. For example, imagine you're trying to teach an AI to play chess. You could show it millions of games and hope it learns the patterns. Or you could teach it the fundamental rules and strategies of the game. That's what Microsoft is doing with Phi-4. They're teaching it the underlying principles of logic and reasoning, which allows it to generalize to new and unseen problems. And the results are impressive. Phi-4 has been shown to outperform much larger models on tasks that require complex reasoning and planning. It's a testament to the fact that bigger isn't always better in AI. Sometimes it's about training smarter, not harder. What's even more exciting is that Microsoft has open-sourced Phi-4, making it available for researchers and developers to experiment with and build upon. This is huge for the AI community because it allows for greater collaboration and innovation. By sharing their work, Microsoft is helping to democratize access to cutting-edge AI technology, which could lead to breakthroughs in a wide range of fields. It's a reminder that the future of AI isn't just about who has the biggest model. It's about who can use AI to solve real-world problems in the most effective and efficient way possible. And now for the underdog story of this AI showdown, Xiaomi's MiMo 7B. Yeah, you heard that right. They're not just making phones anymore, people. This 7 billion parameter model is proof that you don't need a massive budget or a team of thousands to make waves in the AI world. MiMo 7B is all about efficiency and performance. It punches way above its weight class, going toe-to-toe with models 2 or 3 times its size in coding and math benchmarks. We're talking about solving LeetCode level coding challenges, generating clean functional code in Python and C++, and even outperforming larger models on math datasets like GSM-8K, Math, and MathQuest. This is a big deal because it challenges the assumption that you need massive models to achieve state-of-the-art results. Xiaomi has shown that with clever engineering and a focus on optimization, even smaller models can pack a serious punch. So how did they do it? Well, Xiaomi focused on 2 key areas: model architecture and training data. They designed MiMo 7B with a highly efficient transformer architecture that maximizes parameter utilization. Basically, they made every parameter count. On the data side, they trained MiMo 7B on a massive dataset of code and math problems, carefully curated and cleaned to ensure high quality. This allowed the model to learn from the best and develop a strong foundation in both coding and mathematical reasoning. But what's truly remarkable about MiMo 7B is its versatility. It's not just a one-trick pony. It can handle a wide range of tasks, from code generation and debugging to math problem solving and even natural language processing. This makes it an incredibly valuable tool for developers, students, and anyone who needs to work with code or math regularly. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you write code faster, debug errors more efficiently, and even solve complex math problems on the fly. That's the potential of MiMo 7B. Xiaomi's entry into the AI arena is a game changer. It shows that innovation can come from anywhere, and that you don't need to be a tech giant to make a significant impact. MiMo 7B is a testament to the power of efficient AI design and the potential for smaller models to achieve remarkable results. So, there you have it. 3 incredible AI models from DeepSeek, Microsoft, and Xiaomi, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible in their own way. We've got Prover V2 tackling complex mathematical proofs, Phi-4 mastering logic and reasoning, and MiMo 7B excelling in both coding and math. The open-source AI scene is on fire right now, and this is just the beginning. With more and more researchers and developers gaining access to these powerful tools, we can expect to see even more incredible breakthroughs in the near future. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown of DeepSeek, Microsoft Phi-4, and Xiaomi's MiMo 7B useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI updates, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Which model impressed you most? The future of AI is no longer limited to big tech gatekeepers, and you just saw why.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.